In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right MySafaricom app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to get the right MySafaricom app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store and tap on it. Here, you need to go ahead and log in with your Gmail account, and then you should see a search bar on top. If you can't see this, you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it to activate the search bar. And from this, you can just search for MySafaricom as one word like that, and then tap on search here. Here you can see we have the right MySafaricom app. To know that it's the right app, make sure it is from Safaricom PLC. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 500,000 reviews. This app has been downloaded over 10 million times currently. However, I know by the time you're watching this data might have changed. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right MySafaricom app. To get it, tap on install. This will download the latest version of MySafaricom app and install it on your Android smartphone. Now to start using the app, go ahead and tap on open here, or if you go to your apps, now you should see your app. Go ahead and tap on it, and this is the welcoming logo. Give these permissions to start using MySafaricom app. You'll need to enter your phone number and then your PIN to start using it. So that's how you can install the right MySafaricom app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.